You want to know how you can start leveraging YouTube for your B2B business inside of 2025, and in this video I'm going to answer that exact question. Not only am I going to answer that exact question, but I am just going to walk you through everything that my clients have done this year in order to do that exact same thing to produce over $3 million that I've helped do through strictly YouTube systems alone. YouTube is unbelievably simple, and it actually blows my mind every single year how many people in their business do not use YouTube or some form of video marketing sales funnels in order to make more money. Look, I want you to think about this extremely practically. In B2B, there are really only two platforms that matter the most, but I'll give you three. There's LinkedIn, there's Twitter, you can squeeze in Facebook and Instagram if you want, and then there's YouTube. Out of the first three platforms that I named, how much time do you spend on each piece of content? And seriously, think about it. How much time are you spending on a post on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook? Honestly, if you're at 30 seconds, you're probably better than most people. However, if I asked you that exact same question on YouTube, I want you to understand that the average B2B video on YouTube is about 10 minutes long, which means the buyer that you're trying to sell to fundamentally understands that they're going to have to spend more time with your content. Why does that matter for you? Because you want the buyer that you're trying to target to be able to trust you. Understand that until you're not, you're a stranger. And what that means is that you need to intentionally put several things inside of your video marketing systems that allow people to trust you. You need case studies. You need your zero to hero video, which is the first video that all of my clients start off with that I gave a full video breakdown here. You need people to understand that you are not just talking. You're actually good at the thing that you're saying. So you need all of these different platforms. This is where you need your case studies. This is where you need your zero to hero video. This is where you need everything that is going to highlight why you are good at what you're good at inside of your business. Look, YouTube is an unbelievable platform that most people are not taking advantage of simply because they don't understand that people gradually will spend more time with them than any other platform. As in, YouTube is so good, you could stop marketing on basically every other platform, focus solely on YouTube, and you would still be able to make substantial growth in 2025. However, that's not practical for most of you guys. So here's the video marketing system that you should actually do to lower your stress and make YouTube the primary thing you do inside of your business. One, make a really good YouTube video. Make a great title, a great thumbnail, a great description that solves your exact buyer's pain points and problems. I have tons of videos about how to do that on my channel. Then take all of that content and put it onto other channels. As in, clip the videos, use something like Opus AI to clip your videos and put them out as shorts, not only on YouTube, but to the other platforms that you want to publish on. Then take the thumbnail that you produce for your YouTube video and post that thumbnail as well. Post it with some really cool copy, teasing people to watch the entire YouTube video, and then take just the idea. So use ChatGPT or write it up yourself. Take your talking points and your script from your video and make them into full-length text-written content only. If you do exactly what I just said, what you'll be able to do is create a fully functional system where YouTube is the header, basically the place where you want everybody to go to spend the most time with you. However, the platforms that I mentioned earlier, like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, are the platforms that point people back to your YouTube channel. That way, you create a fully functioning system that leverages not just YouTube, but every other platform, so that people are coming from every platform that they can find you at and pointing directly to your YouTube channel, where you just so happen to have your case studies, your client interviews, your industry's hot topics content, and everything that would make somebody think that you're actually good at fulfilling the service that you're probably already good at. Doing something like this is the #1 way to be able to leverage YouTube for B2B success. Remember, in B2B, people need to trust you. In other words, they need to spend more time with you, and you need to create a system that allows people to spend the absolute most time with you that they possibly can. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace!